Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Tori short riding shoes. Noru. It's a new brand to the industry. Where did it come from? It came from one of our premier distribution partners, Helmet House, that already has a lot of experience with two other house brands, which would be Core-Tech and Tourmaster. I'm sure you've heard of them by now if you've been riding for a while. Both have excellent reputations earned over many seasons of riding. Noru is intended to provide very affordable street riding gear that's going to appeal to many riders riding different bikes, right? I want you to think new riders or riders working on a tight budget that are looking for new gear that offers a reasonable level of protection, right? And quality with tremendous value. Focusing on this Tori short riding shoe right now. The retail on this is $79.99. You're going to see this sold for as low as $39.99. There will be some price changes throughout the year. They're going to have like sale periods and then kind of different sale periods as it's been explained to me, right? But the lowest you'll see is $39.99. That is a tremendous value for this. Let's talk sizing. I wear a size 12 US in most common shoes and boots out there. That's what these are. They fit and felt great, and they were actually really surprising considering that $39 price point, okay? This isn't your most technical piece of riding footwear. It has just enough features that I would slide it into that short riding shoe category. We have some reinforcement here in the toe box, okay? We have some reinforcement down here in the heel. It's not like we showed you with that Rada full boot, but you can tell the protection is still there. There's an ankle impact cup stitched in between the layers here on the outside, but not on the inside. Entry and exit are done with the laces that you see here, as well as this quick entry zipper, which is pretty nice. It makes it really easy to get this on and off. We have a reflective stripe here on the back, so at nighttime you'll have some good visibility. The sole does have a shank in it. You know, you can get a little compression up here in the toe box area, but it's going to give you crush-proof protection from side to side, front to back. There's a close look at your sole. All in all, if you're looking at this price point, this is going to be hard to beat. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all this stuff myself, and I'm here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.